Do you know a lot of business owners and professionals today working really hard to make money? While in this economic climate, the income is stagnated or decreasing, the expenses are continuously going up, creating more financial pressure. Now, to mitigate this, they spend more time at work, spending away from their family and the things that they love, which eventually leads in financial tension and mental pressure. Now, the irony in this whole scenario is that these people are spending their most precious commodity, their time, in lieu of money. The solution to this problem is very simple. It is passive income which you can generate from your existing wealth without necessarily having to invest more. I have actually created a system in which you can scrutinize and strategize your wealth in such a way that it creates fixed monthly income for you, where you're actually paying less taxes and also taking less risk. And the best thing of all, you're actually having to spend no more extra time on this. So now I ask you, if you're facing the problems I have shared in this video, your life can change after attending Mission Financial Nirvana, where I will help you to live a life free of money worries. I will see you at the next Mission Financial Nirvana.